Let me ask you a question, leader to leader. How many of you would say that you've been feeling weary lately? Now, weariness is more than just a tired feeling. It's more like this overall feeling that is like a heavy blanket that's weighing you down. It can leave you exhausted of strength and endurance and lacking in fresh mental or physical activity. If that's you, I just want to say to you right now, just as you are enough. I know you have been working really hard to do all of the right things, but you don't have to solve all of the problems that you see. Just focus on the ones that you have the ability to do something about, and then trust others to do their part. Find something that is going on around you that is good and focus on that. Noticing and being thankful for even the smallest positive action is the momentum builder you need to break off of the weariness that you feel. Think of it kind of like mining for gold. When people are mining, mountains of dirt actually get shifted, but the focus is never on the dirt, it's on the gold, even the smallest threads of gold that are found. And every time gold is found, energy is restored. I know you're tired. I know you've been working hard and it seems like nobody has noticed. But look for the gold in your day. Focus on that part and guard it like a precious treasure. And watch your energy and drive return. Leadership is a journey, it's not a destination. If you would like help restoring energy and drive to your organization, reach out to me today for a complimentary consultation. You don't have to journey alone.